Bitcoin is coiling up for the next major move towards the upside. We are opening some massive position on altcoins which are currently in a really nice profit. We're gonna discuss the Bitcoin dominance, the USDT dominance, and the Ethereum chart. But first of all, please make sure to follow me over on my socials and subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this video if you love those daily update videos. And let's dive right away into the chart right now. Because what we can see is that Bitcoin is forming a resistance here and support on the lower side. That means we are coiling up towards one point into this triangle for breaking out. For now, we are heading towards the apex, and if we getting closer towards the apex, this will mean that the breakout is imminent here. And first of all, how can we trade this? We can trade this in both ways. Towards the upside and towards the downside. What do we want to see? We want to see a clear breakout, a perfect retest, and a move towards the upside. That is exactly the same we want to be seeing towards the downside. So it's pretty good to see that Bitcoin is consolidating at such a high level of approximately 120k, because this is a really strong sign for Bitcoin. And the next leg is in here, and that is what this pattern is calling here. So please make sure to anticipate on this as well. Then, if you look at the liquidity heat map, we can see that we currently stacking liquidity above and below us. I really think it's Sunday right now that we could take both sides out before taking the next leg towards the upside. So please make sure to not get faken out by any fake moves here, because the liquidity is stacking above and below us. And I really think it's a really good thing to take both sides out before moving to before starting the next leg to either the upside or towards the downside, because all the liquidity is cleared then, and then we can search for the next leg. So please make sure to not get faken out, because liquidity is stacking around us here. Then I opened up four positions on altcoins. Ondo is a very small position here, but I just wanted to make sure that I am in it with some money. Then ADA Cardano is, I'm long with 25k here, all 5x leverage. We are currently 3.3k in profit on that one. Optimism, I'm long with 30k and I'm in profit 5k here. And the biggest one, all of them, is Pepe here, and I'm long with 50k and we're currently 10k in profit here. So we're currently up 20k on those altcoins. Why I'm longing those altcoins is because we see a shift of moving money towards altcoins, and I really think that Pepe is of course an Ethereum meme coin, that money will flow in that one, the biggest meme coins on the chain. So that is a really safe one in my opinion, and I really think that this one is going very nuts here. Also ADA, you see that money is rotating into the ADA and Ondo and Optimism chart. So things are looking very good, and I really want to see this chart playing out, because if this trade hit my target, I will literally make a bank of money here, and I'm calling it right now. So if you want to long Pepe or even other altcoins, please make sure to sign up in the link with Blofin. You can trade all of those altcoins, and in this altcoin season you can literally make a bank of money here, because yeah, this is a really good exchange, and we're calling it all live over on our YouTube and X page. So please make sure to follow me over on those socials as well. And what we can see is that we got supported and got resistance on the Bitcoin dominance, and now we can see a clear breakout towards the downside. And this is also a really good sign that we will see some money floating into altcoins and into Ethereum, and this is a really good sign. And when I saw this happening, I flipped some of my Bitcoin into Ethereum and into altcoins right now, because Ethereum had a very big rally. But this chart literally says it all, that we are currently in an alt season and this is your time to make money. So please anticipate on those charts here, because this literally could go to zero here, and that means that altcoins will go so pretty hard. If you look at the USDT dominance, we are currently at support, and that is something you really want to keep an eye on, because we can get supported by it, and that means that crypto will go down and go to this resistance and then move further towards the downside. But if we break this resistance support, retest it and go further towards the downside, that will mean that we will have a massive money inflow into crypto and altcoins in specific here, and that will mean that altcoin will probably pump like 300% if we drop below the support. So please keep an eye on this one as well. This is a really important chart. If we get supported, resistance is above. If this happened, I'm opening up some very big positions because this is your last chance to get into the market. If we drop further below this support line, that will mean that we will pump immediately, and you can anticipate on that one as well, of course. And something I really want to be pointing out here is the power of 3 pattern of Ethereum has exactly hit our target of 50%. And as you can see, we took that move exactly here with a 5x leverage. But what we can see is that I made 120k profit on this Ethereum trade. And I've been calling this all live. You can watch my previous videos, but I've literally called this move before it even happened right over here. So if you followed me over on my X page, over on my YouTube page, you wouldn't have this miss this move, and that's exactly what you want. So please make sure to lock in on that one to never miss such a big trade like this one, because 120k in profit is literally insane. I flipped this account in 3 or 4 weeks from 60k towards 288k, and I'm literally planning to flip it into $1 million with this alt season. And these are my trades I've opened up right now. So please make sure to follow me over on those socials, and I will see you tomorrow by a new one.